Ara maya hundred zedu mabane rohingya mabane kolore zulum goje inor babute has guri hota holo aisha goromar ara mumike kenguri ar kan made ki sayara ara mabane to ki lage ki face gulo ko lage inor babute international language use gori ore ke so hota hote som good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajida. I am a Rohingya women representative. I would like to sincerely thank you for giving me this opportunity to deliver my speech on behalf of Rohingya women. First of all, I would like to thank the government of Bangladesh for giving shelter around 1.5 million Rohingya and the international community and UN representative to see our Rohingya community and find out of our issues. Distinguished delegate, colleague, and champion of human rights. Today, 27 September 2025, I speak not only in advocacy but in solidarity with some of the most silent voices in the world, Rohingya women. After Myanmar gained independence, the Rohingya people have been subjected to continuous oppression and persecution across generations. Furthermore, they have been stripped of their citizenship. The Burma carried out various forms of repression against the Rohingya all without any sense of compassion or active solidarity. Moreover, many Rohingya women were subjected to widespread sexual violence. In 2017, the Myanmar military government committed what has been described as ethnic cleansing, forcing over 700,000 Rohingya people to flee to Bangladesh. These women are not only victims of war, they are survivors of rape, used as a weapon of conflict, of forced displacement, and of generation of systemic erasure. Since that 2021, similar atrocities were committed against the 2024 genocide. The suffering of Rohingya women has deepened under the brutal rule of the Myanmar junta and more recently under the expanding control of the Arkan army in Rakhine State. Therefore, the future of Rohingya women, one of peace, dignity and a stable livelihood, now depend heavily on the support and cooperation of the Bangladeshi government and the international community. We believe that with such support, we too can live dignified lives just like women in other countries around the world. We Rohingya women hope for a peaceful Arkan, where they can live without fear, while without permit, speak without punishment, and raise our children with dignity. We envision a future where we are recognized as citizens of Myanmar, not refugees in our own homeland, where justice